genre nó tôi nó trẻ và tôi tên nó nè cái tôi cho ta chỉ nói ta chỉ mà nó đang cái chia sẻ của tôi trẻ đang cái chế trong linh đó ta chỉ thở tên chế để chân tôi cho học bổng cho số nó nè today my husband and me come fishing here. We come here, I think now it's low tide.
How long have we been here, babe? We just arrived?
Yeah, we arrived here.
3 or 4 minutes ago. Where is this place? What river is this?
I forgot the
What river is this?
Logan River.
Logan River?
Yes,
You've been here before?
yes. I've been here before. I think one or two times.
1 or 2 times.
Yes.
Today you're not coming with the champion, Alexander?
My champion go school today, and today only my husband and me.
Yeah. Alright. Has it been biting yet?
Yes, still biting.
But not strong enough.
Yeah.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we just arrived here a few minutes ago.
See?
And we're fishing with 3 rods. At the moment, we put squid in. See, that one is pulling. Not strong yet. The top one pulling too. What are you saying?
I said no.
2 rod. It seems like only little one. Shaking the rod. We wait until it bend down. My wife said it could be crab. It let go.
Tôi có tôi thấy chỉ mà ta ở cái món mè nó xin nó.
고도 못 낸대 하. 고도라?
응.
고마통 낸대 하. Oye, no te va. Come on, okay. Tụi nông đấy chứ, sẽ đi, ôi ô, là mới giờ cá cửa kia. That bird just come and steal my bait. God damn, I'm not happy, guy. The bait is so expensive. And it come and grab one of my bait. Could you call 000? Because I'm not happy. Guy, call 000 to come and catch that bird. Steal my bait. Okay, my wife's on.
Tới trong chơi xong. Ôi dồi.
A baby Jew. A baby Jew, babe.
Con baby Jew đó.
Yeah. Cái bảo Jew chứ nếu mà chắc cá thằng nó nè. Lý tụi này cá nổ nè.
Rau xếp của nó tới thương chủ đó.
Ở tụi địa sao? Nó dễ tụi này. Our first fish. Is that your first fish of the day, babe?
Yes.
That's a Jew, okay, guys. Do you guys see it had 2 stripes down there, like the big Jew? This is a baby Jew. Okay, tập lại của tay. Now, what fish is that now, babe?
That fish is Jew.
A baby Jew?
Yes. No, big Jew.
Oh, that's a monster. She reckoned that's about what? How many kilo? 200?
I think 700.
You think 700? Wow, that's her first Jew. 700 kilo.
Very lucky I caught.
700 kilo and smaller than my finger. All right, you're gonna let it go?
The fish fly.
A flying fish, you say?
Fly fish. I love.
You happy?
Yes, I'm very happy.
Okay. You want to say something?
What something? I don't know how to say something.
Say thank you to all the people.
Oh, thank you to all the people and watching my channel.
Yeah. What's that? Oh,
Của con. Dari tao tụi chị lo cười ơi, tụi nó làm gì lo. Tụi nó khăn cho gì ta nó đi.
it's the biggest one, guy. It's the biggest one. It is big.
Big bream. Apa tao lo? Cuốn tròn đó, tao muốn cuốn tròn. Big bream, beautiful fish.
There you go, guy. Nice bream.
Nó cầm chéo tụi con. Tụi con ra phải chéo.
Ra một tón bò.
Chị lo trong góc cửa đi nữa.
$31.
31 centimeter. 32, Daddy.
32 centimeter. Nice bream. Since I got it, I can see lots of bullshit about it, guy. So people just say bullshit about it. It's only if you're good fishing. That's what I say, okay? I could be the bullshit too, but I got proof. 32 centimeter bream, Logan River. Very nice. The tide start to come, and then I got this. I proved that I'm not a bullshit, okay? I'm just a bit. Let's make joke about it, guy. So this is Logan River. Come around challenging, guy. See if you can get a bigger than mine, 32. Here it is, 32 centimeter bream. This one, I want to take it to my mom, okay? My mother loved fresh bream or fresh fish. Anything fresh seafood. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys this only, okay? So let's take a picture. I might put this at the front. And I want to say thank you to all the fans and all the supporters, okay, guys? So if you've seen this, if you see this bullshit, man, make sure you subscribe and share, okay? See if I'm gonna catch any more.
Now the water is loud, high tide. Now it's still high tide. The fish still come, but we want to go now because I have the job to do at home and pick up my son.
Well, guy, I got to go now. Or we got to go now because my boy's still at school. We're going to pick up the champion from school. And we might see you guys on another video somewhere, somehow with the champion. If I still have time, I want to stay here all days, even all night. But just because I don't have any more time, so we had to see you guys on some other time, okay? So thank you for watching and thank you for all your support. Subscribe and follow us, I guess. So see you on the next video, guys. 我叫那的这个的梦出来出到小花小桌，只係呢一下子我做咗呢些的啲事，the video 呢就有那麼少你拿了是，俾埋你先知咗，兩把你做一做你大 video，我俾唔同嘅呢，估計冇事係嚟啫，先知咗。